I was born and brought up in the Avon Valley, and there were about 5 or 6 hill farms up until the time when they discovered coal here. That would have been mid to late 19th century. I can remember in the 60s when they must have sold off most of the mountain walks of the sheep, and it was all replaced by conifers. I used to play for Gwynby Boys Club, football club, and I used to run from Glencorrog to Blaenwynby over the mountain, and well, there weren't any trees planted there then, but obviously I used to love getting to the tops of the mountains and looking down the valley, and that it was absolutely amazing.
So we're really excited about this project, and we see huge opportunity for the community here to get involved. They might be able to get involved in it is a long list, you know, it could be around education and training.
One of the areas of focus for the new curriculum is for the children to be ethically informed citizens. What we're trying to do at the moment is to have the children learning about their environment by getting out into their environment.
And I love the way that you can just roam around and pick up things that you've never really seen before. Also, we're trying to see like lots of sphagnum are spreading around our planet. So we're trying to see, say now in Wales we have piles and piles of rain. We're trying to see how much it can absorb to stop flooding. The more endangered animal, we want to make sure that they can come in the world more.
And we want you all to help us find the nature.